So guys, this is our New Zealand dollar to our US dollar, by the way. So we will do our analysis from our daily time frame straight downward to our 1 hour time frame. So stay tuned as we get started. Let's see on our daily time frame. By the way, let's zoom it out. You can see the full trend. It is actually a bearish move, by the way. So price is actually rolling down. So this is an indication that our USD itself is actually rising, while our New Zealand dollar itself is actually on a bearish move. So let's see of a recent, if you see it recently, we are going to aim it recent move here. We all can see this recent move, which was actually huge impulse move downward. This is to tell you that now the price is now dropping massively. It is now falling. We had a correction, a little bit of a correction, and guess what? Again, we are expecting another huge impulse move down. At least we should see our New Zealand dollar to actually take out this our liquidity area. I think that should be giving us about 90 pips, 90 pips more for us to actually take it out. I believe we should take it out within Wednesday. I think on Wednesday we should be able to have eat it up. Probably Thursday we should actually eat it, by the way. So New Zealand dollar, we are expecting a very bearish move, by the way. So I mean, to actually enter this trade itself, we have to look at two things on two time frame, which is about 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame. So let's see our 4 hour time frame, by the way. Let's delete this 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, if you have to see it, we are actually on a bearish move. So that is an indication that we should actually look to actually short this this pair, because trying to trade this pair, take it, if you try to buy this pair, is actually going to be terrible. We are to look for a way to actually short it, because we all can see the full trend impulse move downward. We had a correction, impulse move, correction, impulse move. We had a correction, and now under impulse move, where are we now? We are on a correction again. So is the correction over? Is something we can't really tell, but I feel that if in case the correction is not over, then we should not break above this area here. Reason is that, let's see, this is that this was actually a key level here. It was once our support level here. We can see it. Our price actually hit this place multiple times and it dropped. Price came here again, hit it this level and it dropped. Once it broke out from it, we all can see that our price came to test this area level. It also came again to test this level again and it broke out from it. Now we all can see that our price was actually ranging. So if in case our correction is not yet over, then very much we will see the correction to this level before we get a drop. I think a level of 0.61944. So we would very much likely see our New Zealand dollar to our USD roll up to about 0.61944. Then we would actually have another huge amount of drop again on our New Zealand dollar, as we are expecting to take out this our lows, this liquidity area we've just seen here. If our price can take it out, then fine. So at least we should be able to grab about 90 to 100 pips, I believe. Within 2 days we should be able to grab it. So day traders, you should be able to at least grab about 50 pips, by the way. So let's wait for our price to at least rally up a little bit, then we'll very much likely be getting a drop on our New Zealand dollar. Also have it in mind that our price might not even roll up, it might just start falling again. So the price can just decide to act that way and start dropping, because this can be a level where our price might decide to react to and start dropping. So watch out for it. We might start dropping, having a drop anytime soon. And 1 hour time frame full trend, by the way, it is actually a bearish move. See this huge amount of drop, by the way. So 1 hour time frame, we are actually on a bearish move. So of a recent, right, we saw this correction, impulse move, sorry, a correction here, another impulse move. We saw this correction here, right? Yeah. So this huge impulse move again, sit. We saw this huge impulse move, and guess what? We will be having a correction at least to this level that we just talked about. This level we've once highlighted, which is about 0.61944. 0.61944. So we would want to see the level on our 1 hour time frame roll up to this 0.61944 before we get a drop again on our New Zealand dollar to our USD for the day.